Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Nigerian meat pie. If you want to know how I made this meat pie, stay tuned and keep watching. So these are the things I'll be using for my meat pie. I have my eggs, my salt, my sugar, my baking powder, butter, nutmeg, and my flour. So the first thing to do is to add all your dry ingredients together and mix properly. I'm going first with the baking powder, salt, sugar, and nutmeg. After adding all those things, I'm going to mix properly. Pour in your egg and mix. Add your butter and continue to mix until it's crumbly. This is how it should look like after mixing the butter. It should look like the breadcrumbs. So the next thing is to start adding your water bit by bit until the dough is properly mixed. Then cover and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. This method helps you work with the dough. For my meat pie fillings, I'll be using carrots, onion, meat. I'm using the beef because I wasn't able to go to the ShopRite to get the minced meat. I'll be needing salt, Irish potato, curry, thyme, and seasoning cube. So my groundnut oil is heated. I'm going to be adding my onion and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. I like chopping my onion into smaller pieces. Next is my meat. I'm going to be frying for 2 to 3 minutes because my meat is already cooked. I don't want to over fry it again. So because I've cooked this meat before, it's not like a minced meat. Is already done. No need of putting water to cover. So I'm going to be adding my carrots into it. Add my sweet potato into it. Then mix together. I'm going to be adding water now. Add my seasoning cube. Thyme, and a little curry. Salt. Then I'm going to mix together, cover, and allow it to cook. So I'm going to check my potato. See? It's done. So inside this cup, Inside there I have my flour, which I'm going to mix with water and pour into this. I mixed half a cup of flour and mixed with water. That is what I'm using to thicken this meat pie filling. It makes them stay together inside the oven and allow to cook. Then bring down and set aside. My meat pie fillings is ready. I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool. I'm going to oil my oven pan. It makes the meat pie not to stick together. So we cut the dough into the sizes we want and we are rolling out. And this is our fillings, our meat pie fillings. You roll out. I'm cutting with this cover because I don't have a meat pie cutter. Place the cover on the dough, then use your knife to cut round. Remove the excess dough. Take the cover out and add your meat pie fillings. Rub egg round the edges of the meat pie, then close with a fork and put inside your oven pan. If you have a meat pie cutter, it makes it so easy. When you roll out, place the dough on the meat pie cutter and apply this process. Add your fillings, then cut out and place on your oven pan. The reason why we use egg to seal the edges of the meat pie is to help them stay together and not break up in the oven. So while cutting out the rest of the pies, I'm going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Don't keep the oven too hot. After folding and sealing the meat pie, I'm going to place on the oven pan and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. Our meat pie is ready and it came out looking so nice. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.